rising gracefully from the heart of untouched nature. This stunning mansion owned by Taylor Swift feels like a hidden royal sanctuary. Surrounded by emerald waters and wrapped in lush greenery, the estate radiates peace, privacy, and timeless beauty. Every line of its architecture blends seamlessly with the natural surroundings, creating an atmosphere of calm luxury rather than loud extravagance. Valued at under $50 million, this mansion proves that true elegance is not defined by price alone, but by balance, serenity, and artistic vision. It is a place where creativity thrives and tranquility rules. As you step inside, the grand living spaces immediately capture your attention. Towering arched windows flood the interior with warm golden sunlight, reflecting beautifully off polished marble floors and carefully placed greenery. The open layout feels expansive yet incredibly welcoming, designed to impress without ever feeling overwhelming. Custom furnishings, refined textures, and subtle artistic details whisper luxury in every corner. This is not just a living room, it's a space crafted to inspire comfort, conversation, and creativity. Moving further inside, the private royal suite redefines modern luxury. Soft golden chandeliers illuminate rich velvet textures and intricate detailing, transforming the bedroom into a deeply personal retreat. Every element feels intentional, from the soothing color palette to the flawless craftsmanship. This isn't simply a place to rest. It's a throne of dreams, offering privacy, elegance, and an unmatched sense of calm. Beyond the private quarters lies a world dedicated to leisure and entertainment. The private lounge glows with warm golden lighting, rich marble finishes, bespoke seating, and a curated collection of fine spirits. Nearby, a private cinema delivers the ultimate cinematic escape with plush velvet seating and regal accents that turn every movie night into a royal experience. The entertainment hall completes the picture with majestic chandeliers, elegant billiard tables, and aristocratic decor, perfect for hosting intimate gatherings or relaxing in absolute style. This mansion is more than a luxury home. It is a carefully crafted masterpiece where nature, design, and comfort exist in perfect harmony. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more breathtaking stories of luxury and elegance.